Welcome to our training on Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, customer returns and refunds. If you're using FBA, it's important to understand how Amazon handles FBA customer returns and refunds. You'll also want to know how to manage unsellable items that are returned, since they can impact your business. FBA takes care of the logistics of customer returns, from arranging the shipping to customer refunds. When customers aren't satisfied with their purchase from the Amazon store, they can return the item per our policy. You can learn more about the FBA customer returns policy for refunds, returns, reimbursement, and replacement from the Help page in Seller Central. Note, in general, customers can return an item within 30 days after delivery. But products in certain categories may have different return windows, and some may have longer windows. Once a customer returns an item, a refund will be initiated, and your seller account will be charged for the refund. You'll receive an FBA notification email with the returned order details. You can also view a list of returned FBA purchases on the FBA Customer Returns Report page. For more information on refunds and reimbursements, search FBA Customer Return Reports in Seller Central. Once we receive the returned items, they're inspected at the Amazon Fulfillment Center. Amazon determines their condition through a process called returns evaluation, and we perform advanced checks to detect customer abuse. After our evaluation, we classify the returned items as sellable or unsellable. Amazon investigates unsellable items to identify who caused the damage and categorizes them as either defective, expired, damaged, carrier damaged, or customer damaged. Sellable items will go back to your inventory and become available for sale. You may receive a reimbursement for unsellable items that are damaged and carrier damaged. This means the damage happened in transit or at the fulfillment center. For these items, Amazon will provide a reimbursement based on the FBA Inventory Reimbursement Policy. You can check out this policy in Seller Central for more details. You can also search for the FBA Inventory Reimbursement Policy Help page. So, what happens to unsellable items not eligible for reimbursement? You can choose to have the item returned to you or disposed of. Keep in mind, items that are safety or health hazards are disposed of as soon as they arrive at the fulfillment center, regardless of your removal settings. These items include, but aren't limited to, broken glass, opened personal care items, consumables, baby items, sexual wellness items, and flammable substances. Make sure to download the Customer Returns Report regularly to identify trends impacting your business. Note that FBA returns are handled on a separate page from Merchant Fulfilled Returns. To navigate to the FBA Customer Returns Report page, click Reports from the Seller Central main menu, then click Fulfillment. From the Amazon Fulfillment Reports page, select FBA Customer Returns. The FBA Customer Returns Report page shows the list of returns with their status and important details, such as product title, return reason, and refund date, to provide you a better look into your returns. It's important to remember customer satisfaction is at the core of our business, and we value the relationships sellers build with their customers. We want to help sellers earn their customers' trust and increase their opportunities for driving repeat purchases. This concludes our training on FBA customer returns and refunds. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.